Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Hotcoin. Okay, so I know many of you were mining this Hotcoin for a very long period of time. So in this video we got plenty of update regarding Hotcoin. The main update is about their swap. Okay, so there is a swap now currently available, and inside the swap and people were able to get to see the price also for that. Okay, so how much is one hot is equivalent for the near and all. But if you go and see in the hot perpetual trading, it was trading around 22 point some $6, okay, which is too good to be true. So we're going to see about these things only and about the much more updates regarding Hotcoin in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, guys. And before we get into this video, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and click the bell icon. That's whenever I'm uploading a video, it will be coming to you very fastly. And like this video and continue watching it, guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only we'll give all sorts of airdrop link, airdrop updates, and even this Zama testnet airdrop is there. So I haven't made a video yet for this one since there was some problem in their sites and all. So once everything okay, I might make a video regarding Zama also. So make sure to follow me inside my Telegram channel for these kind of updates. With that being said, let's get into the video, guys. So first of all, about Hotcoin, I hope many of you are mining this one from the very long period of time, but you all will be having this one doubt with you, when it's gonna be getting listed. Okay, so if you come down and here you can check on their roadmap. Okay, so when it started, here you can see in the first phase start of mining Hotcoin, and the second phase set up a hot protocol, and third phase was launching a hot chain signature for base, and the fourth phase launch a hot bridge and omni balances, and currently in the fifth place where they were trying to add 2FA and replaceable seed phrases for hot wallet and launch cross chain gas relays. Okay, and after that what is going to happen is hot is open for stake and transfer. So whenever there is a stake and transfer happens, no, that's when it's going to be listing also. The TGE will happen in the 2025 quarter 3. Okay, so that's what I think. Let's see when it's going to be listing and all. So now the major thing what happened for the hot is this swap. Okay, so they announced a new swap is there, so it is currently live now. So inside the swap you can go there and you will be able to trade other coins also using some leverages we can trade. Okay, and soon hot will be tradable, and we can actually convert those hot token into near protocol token. Then you can transfer it to any wallet and sell and get the profit. Okay, these things we can do now. And but the thing is like price. Okay, so nobody knows what is going to be the price, but in the hot perpetual it's trading around $22 range. Okay, but this is too good to be true. I will never say that it's going to be traded around this area or that area, because we don't know how much is the supply is going to be for the Hotcoin. So without knowing anything properly, we cannot just like that say this is going to be happen or that is going to be happening. Up to my knowledge, I think it's too good to be true value. Okay, which is showing here and inside the swap. Okay, so now if you open your app and scroll down, you'll be able to see your balance and everything. So below you can see the swap button will be there. Okay, so if you click on the swap on top, you can choose the near chain, and then just choose the just type hot. Okay, then you can get their token. So if you type hot, you will be get to see the hot token here. But here you can clearly see again. I'll go and type hot. Okay, so but here you can see that it's like a scam. Okay, hot scam. This is what many people are showing and saying that it could be the price also. But here itself you can see hot scam. It's written there and it is a scam only. So don't believe the price and all. So for example, I'm having some 3000 token. Okay, I type the amount, and when I check the value, and here you can see in the below price impact value will be 40%, which means there is no liquidity inside the app. Okay, so it will be very like what, like if I'm selling this much token itself, the price impact is 40%, means definitely it's not true and all. There is no liquidity inside. So don't believe these things because we don't know the exact price and all for this one. Even don't believe. Once we get the clear idea about how much token supply is going to be there in the market, then we can analyze and say how much is going to be and all. Okay, but as of now, even this is not the true value, and if you go and see that another thing, perpetual trading, even that is not the true value. We can't say anything. Okay, so as of now, by seeing this, we don't know what is the exact price and all, because the tokenomic is not yet released. And by seeing their roadmap, we can expect a TGE very soon after this fifth phase is done. So in the quarter 3, okay, so 2025 quarter 3, we can expect the listing announcement. If the market is stable and if the market is good, we can expect it. But even that is not 100% true and all. We don't know. We didn't get any official announcement. And apart from that, if you go inside the hot protocol, there is plenty of the update they have released. Okay, with the Polygon they have integrated, and with the Wallet Connect, and there is a bridge for near protocol, and Solana storage, and Zcash. So many new things they have done and partnered with many well-known firms and all. Okay, by seeing all these things, I think it has a huge potential and all. And but if you ask me about the token that you are having now with you, so it will be like I'm having some 3000 token. I don't think so they will let me claim everything at once. Okay, so they will be putting some sorts of vesting and all. That's what I think. So if there is no vesting, it's good. But if they are putting vesting means, then the price would be around it would be good price. That's when they will put vesting and all. Okay, we can't say the price is going to be this and that since we don't know the supply and everything. So these are the updates currently regarding hot mining. In case if you are not mining it, keep mining it, guys. Soon we can expect the TG and all. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. Just wanted to give a quick update regarding this hot mining thing, because we made a video regarding this long back, and now we can expect the listing soon. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video. I hope you like this video. If you do so, click the like button, guys, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.